Have you ever wondered how a single vision can guide a nation towards progress and inclusivity? Well, the tale of Bharatiya Janata Party or BJP and their guiding principle, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, meaning together with all, development for all, is a thrilling saga of such transformative vision. Born in the crucible of the Indian political landscape in the year 1980, BJP has journeyed through various milestones, etching its indelible mark on the canvas of India's growth story. The party's commitment to its guiding principle is not just a political slogan, but an earnest endeavor towards fostering inclusivity and holistic development. Under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, BJP has been a driving force behind numerous initiatives aimed at transforming India. The party's focus on building better infrastructure, connecting rural India, and empowering citizens has resulted in tangible changes on the ground. Take, for instance, the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. This scheme aimed at housing for all has revolutionized the concept of affordable housing, bringing smiles to millions of faces. Or consider the Pradhan Mantri Dhan Yojana, a financial inclusion program that has brought banking to the doorsteps of rural India, empowering them financially. Simultaneously, BJP has strived to preserve India's rich cultural diversity while promoting unity. The Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat initiative is a shining example of this, fostering mutual understanding and strengthening the emotional bonds between people of different states. BJP's journey has not been without challenges, yet the party has demonstrated resilience and adaptability, evolving with the changing times and maintaining its commitment to serving the nation. The journey of BJP and its initiatives is a testament to the power of a unified vision. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas is not just a motto, it's a commitment to inclusive policies that uplift every Indian. As we reflect on the journey of BJP and its initiatives, we are reminded of the profound impact of this vision. From infrastructure development to financial inclusion, from preserving cultural diversity to promoting unity, BJP's initiatives have truly transformed India. In conclusion, the story of BJP is a narrative of determination, resilience, and commitment to the principle of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. The party's initiatives have not only shaped the physical and cultural landscape of India, but have also sown the seeds of a brighter, more inclusive future. As we journey towards this future, we carry with us the lessons and inspirations from BJP's transformative journey.